Hello YouTube, my name is Steve from the globalcodeguild.com. I'm starting this site to help other folks out, and what this site is going to be about, it is about programming for the iPad and the iPhone. I've been using Windows where I work for about 20 years. I'm kind of tired of the environment, and I thought I'd give Apple a try. Since the iPad came out, I've been very impressed with it. It's a lovely device, and the iPhone is pretty slick too. And so I started looking into the actual coding of it and what it takes to be a developer. Now, I just got back from dinner with my wife, and I was at a restaurant, and I went in the morning. It was a diner, and I had breakfast there. And in the evening, my wife decided she wanted to go to the diner to get one of her favorites. And so lo and behold, I get there, and the manager is still there. He's pulling a double shift. So that's kind of the reality of owning a business, that you're kind of chained to it. And it's interesting when you're a developer and you work on computers. I work on computers all day, and it's a nice life. There's no backbreaking work. I sit in an air-conditioned office in a comfortable chair, and the most physical movement I do is I just move a mouse and type on a keyboard. That's about it. So I just kind of wanted to give you a little heads up on working with computers. When you're younger, you'd say, well, I want to work outside. I don't want to sit at a desk. Well, it's interesting when you turn, I'm 45. So as soon as you turn 45, it's amazing how your body changes, and you start to say, thank God that I sit in a desk and I move the plastic rat. And it's not a bad thing. The money's nice. It's a pleasant environment. And also the people you work with, they're highly educated, so they're nice folks and they're pleasant to be around. So being a developer is a good thing, but I realize that a lot of folks can't go to college. So, by whatever their situation is, maybe their wife doesn't work and she's home with the kids, and it just didn't happen for you. Well, that's where this site comes in. My site's called the globalcodeguild.com. It's a guild. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a 2-minute tour of the site. And pretty much this is the home page, and it kind of explains to you what the site's all about. This site's going to be more than just a guild. Now, I'm going to have free YouTube on video. Our link is right here. And there's a Join the Guild page. And right down here, you'd sign up. And if you're not a member already, you'd click the register button, and it would take you to a registration page. And once you're registered, you get to this members only video area. Now, I'm currently building content, but if you were a member, a page of video links would show up right here. There's a frequently asked questions page, and it lists all the typical questions you might have about the guild. And there's an About Us page, Marketplace. Now, I'm using software called .NET Nuke, and it has a forum module I purchased. And then that's the Marketplace, and here is the forum. So that easily lets our members exchange information and content with each other. There's the code bank. So if you have a problem, you could go here and fish through the code bank, look around. There's a store. If you click one of these links, it'd take you to Amazon, and that would help support the site. And I poured through a lot of books, and these are some of the books that I like. This book is very nice. And then there's a little links page. So the site's pretty much just up and running. It's functional. I just got it out there. And eventually there will be a price to join the guild. I'm looking at the different levels of pricing that we want to do. But pretty much that's the page for our Join the Guild, the Global Code Guild. Now here's the thing. The most sites, a video site, or even if you went to college, for example, you'd buy a book and you'd take a course and you'd sit in class and listen to somebody lecture. Now I remember those college days, and college is a lot of fun, but it was also a lot of wasted time. I remember sitting in class and even just like commuting to class and coming and going. And there's a lot of dead time, if you will, a lot of wasted time. So the video that I'm going to be doing are going to be crystal clear, straight to the point. When the video launches, there's not going to be any music to suck up bandwidth and load it slower and take up your time. I'm going to, right on the opening screen, tell you what the video is about, and we're going to jump right into it. There's going to be no long lecturing. I subscribed to another site, and I needed to watch a video. I needed to find something out, and I had to sit through this video for 15 minutes. And right at the end, the guy finally put down the nugget of knowledge that I was looking for. So we're not going to do that. We're going to come right to the point. Now, if you strung all these videos together, they could comprise a course, if you will, a body of knowledge. But this is going to be for developers and developer wannabes and new folks into the computing world. And it's going to be task-based. So there's going to be just hundreds of videos of, it's going to basically like, Steve, how do I do this? It would be just like I came to your desk and I sat down with you and I showed you. So that's pretty much what's going to be. I'm going to end this video. Please go to the site globalcodeguild.com, globalcodeguild.com, and register with us. And once you get registered with the guild, then as these videos come out, I can send you a link. We're going to place probably 50 to 100 videos on YouTube, and then we're going to start populating our members-only video area. And we're still arranging the pricing on the site based on how much the video storage is going to be. We're keeping the price low, and we'll take it from there. So I hope you join us. Steve from the Global Code Guild. Thanks for watching.